Just about every home can benefit from a Ductless Mini Split heat pump, but be careful because not every Ductless heat pump contractor is a good contractor. 3 things you must know before hiring a Ductless HVAC contractor in Marlborough, Massachusetts. 1. Every Ductless installation is a custom installation. Endless Energy knows that homes come in all shapes and sizes. They'll never give you a one-size-fits-all solution. They'll always make sure to match the right unit to your unique needs. 2. It's not the equipment, it's the installation of the equipment. You want to enjoy the full benefits of a Ductless Mini Split, but did you know most problems that homeowners encounter can be traced back to an improper installation? 3. Experience and credentials matter. Hire a contractor with credentials. There are none better than Endless Energy. They're a Mitsubishi Elite Diamond Contractor, BBB Plus rated, a Mass Save heat pump installer, and Mass Save home performance contractor. And they're recognized nationally as a Ductless All-Star. It doesn't get any better than this. Ready to find out if a ductless system is right for you? Turn to the experts at Endless Energy, Marlborough's leading ductless heat pump contractor and mini split installation company. Get a no-cost Mass Save home energy assessment. Call Endless Energy at 508-501-9990 today or visit goendlessenergy.com.